First things first, let us dispel a popular myth. Even if you haven't been endowed with good hair genetics, you can achieve thicker, fuller hair by following the procedures outlined in this video. You can really change the thickness of your hair. Remember that each point we'll explore has its own significance, so make sure you don't overlook any. Let us begin with the very first step. Your hair may lose its natural oils if you wash it too often, necessary to keep radiance and vigor. By lowering the frequency of shampooing, these oils function as a natural conditioner to support the health of your hair. You let these oils work their magic, and your hair will get stronger and healthier. Breakage and thinning may result from overbrushing. Not only is frequency important, but so are the instruments and methods. Choose natural bristle brushes and always begin detangling from the tips and work your way up. When it comes to having fuller hair, specialized hair thickening products might be game changers while buying. Keep a watch out for important elements such as keratin, biotin, and caffeine. These are not simply buzzwords. They are clinically proved to increase hair volume and thickness. By using products containing these elements, you give your hair the best chance to thrive. Essential oils are more than simply nice smells. They're enormous hair growth boosters. To stimulate hair follicles, apply rosemary oil. Lavender promotes growth and has a relaxing effect. Additionally, peppermint gives scalp circulation a revitalizing boost. Biotin is not simply a buzzword in the hair care industry. It has a significant impact on hair health. This vital vitamin is extremely effective at strengthening and promoting hair growth. When contemplating supplements, look for those high in biotin, which are commonly branded as hair, skin, and nail solutions. Integrate a biotin vitamin into your daily regimen. You are investing in the basis for lush, thick hair. While heat tools can create beautiful hairstyles, they are expensive, have the ability to cause damage, and are thinner. Constant heat exposure can deplete your hair's vitality, leaving it brittle. If you plan on using these tools, make sure to protect your hair with a quality heat protectant. Hair masks are essentially spa treatments for your hair. They play an important function in increasing hair thickness by deeply feeding and repairing damaged fibers. For those who prefer a DIY approach, try a mask made with coconut oil, honey, and a squeeze of lemon. This mixture not only conditions but also adds a natural shine. Massaging the scalp stimulates blood circulation, ensuring that hair follicles receive the nutrients they require. Promoting hair growth. To do it correctly, apply your fingertips in soft, circular motions to all parts of the scalp. Spend a few minutes on this practice every day, and you'll not only feel better, but your hair will be healthier and thicker. Your hair is sensitive and requires gentle care. Aggressive behavior, such as vigorous towel drying, forceful brushing, or twisting your hair into tight hairstyles, can result in breakage and thinning. Instead, pat your hair dry, softly brush it, and choose looser hairstyles. Remember that everyone's hair journey is unique. What works well for one person may not work for another, so it's critical to figure out what suits your hair type and needs. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next one.